Possessing a set of skills and knowledge that enables individuals to make informed and effective decisions with their financial resources is commonly referred to as financial education or financial literacy. It plays a crucial role in achieving progress and success in life, especially for those seeking personal and financial growth. Those aiming for financial freedom and independence aspire to attain a state where they no longer rely on external sources, such as family, unsatisfying jobs, or companies, to support their financial needs. This goal emphasizes the importance of financial education, as it empowers individuals to take control of their finances and make informed decisions that contribute to their financial well-being. Apart from financial literacy, it's crucial to understand another concept, which is financial confidence. Unlike financial freedom, which is solely based on one's available resources, financial confidence is determined by an individual's aptitude and self-assurance in generating income. It's a distinct aspect that emphasizes the importance of not only possessing the necessary financial knowledge but also being confident in one's ability to apply it effectively. Financial confidence enables individuals to make informed decisions and take calculated risks, which can ultimately lead to financial success and stability. Therefore, it's essential to focus on developing both financial literacy and financial confidence to achieve long-term financial goals. In this video, I will share with you the 4 fundamental rules of money that form the foundation for achieving financial success. By applying these principles and remaining committed to your financial goals, you can take your money game to new heights that you never thought possible. Despite the abundance of readily available financial information, many people remain financially illiterate. This begs the question, why aren't people taking advantage of the easily accessible financial education? There are 2 primary reasons why individuals fail to acquire the financial education they need, despite the low cost or even free availability of such resources. Reason number 1, conventional wisdom. The truth is that financial education goes against conventional wisdom. Most people have a scarcity mindset that inhibits their ability to attract wealth. As children, we're often told that money doesn't grow on trees, and that money is the root of all evil, which instills a limiting mindset that hinders our financial growth. Additionally, there's a common misconception about debt being inherently bad, but this isn't always the case. If used properly, debt can be a tool to create wealth. Unfortunately, many people demonize debt due to their lack of financial education. It's crucial to ignore those who aren't financially literate or confident and seek out the knowledge necessary to improve your financial situation. It's essential to seek guidance from those who are financially educated and successful. Learning from individuals who have already achieved financial stability and freedom can provide valuable insights and tips on how to improve your financial situation. It's like learning a sport like skiing. You wouldn't want to learn from someone who has never skied before. Instead, you'd seek guidance from an experienced skier who can teach you the proper techniques and help you avoid common mistakes. Similarly, seeking guidance from financially educated individuals can accelerate your learning process and help you achieve financial literacy and confidence faster. Reason number 2, comfort zone and self-esteem. Having a positive self-image and mindset is indeed crucial when it comes to generating wealth. If you have a negative self-image or low self-esteem, it can hold you back from taking risks and pursuing opportunities that can lead to financial success. Believing in yourself and your abilities is the first step towards building financial confidence and taking action towards your goals. It's important to remember that confidence is not something that you're born with, but rather something that you can develop over time with practice and experience. By consistently pushing yourself out of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks, you can build the confidence you need to succeed financially. To achieve success, you must push yourself beyond your comfort zone and be willing to take risks. For instance, if your goal is to launch your first business but lack sufficient funds, you may have to step out of your comfort zone and obtain a loan from the bank, putting yourself in debt, which can be daunting. Building charisma and confidence are essential ingredients in becoming wealthy. Without the confidence to act, you will not succeed. Therefore, before embarking on financial education, you must first work on yourself and develop a mindset that is comfortable with risk-taking and failure. Confidence will provide you with the power and courage to take risks and perform under pressure. Now that you understand why financial education is vital and how to cultivate the right mindset, let's dive into the 4 fundamental rules of financial literacy. Rule number 1, don't invest in what you don't understand. Investing is crucial when it comes to multiplying your money and achieving financial success. The truth is, working for someone else will never make you rich in the long term. You have to start investing in yourself. While there are various types of investments such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and forex, it's important to understand that the most important investment you can make is in yourself. Invest in real estate. Real estate investing follows the basic principle of buy low and sell high, similar to other types of investments. Although the concept is simple, the process of real estate investing can be complex. Typically, investors begin with residential properties and gradually move on to the commercial real estate, hotels, large commercial centers, offices, and other types of properties. The strategy involves finding undervalued properties with potential, renovating or improving them, waiting for the property value to increase, and then selling for a profit. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself and your financial education is crucial before investing in anything else. Your brain is your most important money-making machine, and it requires development through continuous learning and gaining the knowledge necessary to operate a business. This is not optional, as without staying up to date with your industry and niche, you risk being left behind. Keep yourself informed and stay up to date with all the information that is relevant to your success. Invest in your business. In order to scale and grow your business, it's crucial to invest in it. Just like a car needs fuel to run, a business needs financial resources to expand. Investing in your business can take many forms, such as marketing, research and development, or introducing a new product. Whether you're buying or creating a business, allocating funds for its growth is essential for success. Rule number 2, debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. The concept of debt can be controversial, but its potential power is often underestimated. Those who understand how to use it wisely can thrive, while those who are afraid of it may miss out on many opportunities. It's important to distinguish between good and bad debt. Bad debt refers to any debt that you know you won't be able to pay off, such as student loans, which can be devastating and ruin the financial life of many people. Given the weighty financial decisions involved, we should be careful when asking 18-year-olds to make decisions involving hundreds or thousands of dollars. Only get into debt if you know what you're doing. On the other hand, good debt is debt that you're confident you can pay off or have the plan to pay off, and which will ultimately make you money. Taking on debt can be a useful tool for becoming wealthy. For example, you might take out a loan to start your business. If everything goes according to plan, you will pay off your debt and be free to expand your business, as long as you always stay on top of your payments. Rule number 3, think rich. While it's true that developing new skills can lead to opportunities for making more money, it's important to balance that with responsible financial habits. Living above your means and spending money on things just to feel good or portray a certain image can lead to financial troubles in the long run. It's important to have a clear understanding of your financial situation and set achievable goals for yourself. This may involve cutting back on unnecessary expenses, creating a budget, and finding ways to increase your income through a combination of developing new skills and making smart investments. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and it requires discipline, patience, and a long-term mindset. Rule number 4, develop skills to acquire assets. Assets are things that put money in your pocket, while liabilities are things that take money out of your pocket. Your brain is your biggest asset, and you can develop it in order to be even more valuable. There are skills that are very demanded in the marketplace, and they all have 2 things in common. 1, they bring a lot of value to the market. 2, they make you a lot of money. So, instead of working for someone else, start developing skills that will help you generate income from nothing, just by delivering results to the market. Figure out what best fits your abilities, and develop your first high-income skills in order to gain the resources necessary to acquire more and more assets. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. We love hearing your thoughts and feedback, so feel free to leave a comment below and let us know what you think. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.